You all may heard about Demonte Colony because it is said to be a famous haunted place in Chennai. A Tamil horror movie by the name Demonte Colony starring Arunidhi, Ramesh Tilak and Sananth also released in 2015. Now you can imagine how popular the horror tales from the place might be. If you haven't heard about it yet, or if you want to know the real story behind this film, keep watching the video. Demonte Colony is one of the spooky places in India located near St. Mary's Road. This colony is filled with identical looking houses. The entire stretch of that colony was owned by John D. Monte, a businessman back in the 19th century. People say that they hear strange noises issuing from the colony while they walk past. They also hear locked and bolted doors opening and closing and mysterious shadows falling on the sidewalk. If that's not enough, there was once a security guard who was posted at Demonte Colony. On the very next day, he was found dead on duty. Even pets or stray animals who wander into this strange area have disappeared. Some people who live close to this colony state that they believe that the place is haunted. Some others dismiss this and say that they do not believe in ghosts or spirits. Nonetheless, nobody ventures close to the colony after sunset. The colony has a shabby look, which is mainly due to lack of good maintenance. There are also tons of trees lining the streets, and this might also be the reason for the shadows and the solitude. If you look at the colony, you will see why so many people believe that it is haunted. It does indeed look worn down and will seem even more so at night. However, as to claims of there being ghosts in that vicinity, there has been no solid proof so far. Several people feel sorry for the colony, which is located in such a prime local. Stories like this, they believe, will only serve to run down the reputation of such a place. Now let's see who is Demonte and why he is still roaming around as a ghost. He is a Portuguese prince who founded the first settlement here. John Demonte lived with his wife Mary and owned several acres of land in what are now some of the prime spots in the city, including Mowbray's Garden, Greenways Road and the Madras Club. He was a devout Christian and a rich man for most of his lifetime. He was also credited with having constructed the Our Lady of Mount Carmel Church in Kovalam, where he owned a weekend home. But as with every good horror story, this one is short of a happy endings. According to corroborated accounts, at some point during their stay here, Demonte's wife had a mental illness. Additionally, his son, who was brought up in Europe, apparently died at the age of 22 on the eve of leaving for India to join his father. These two misfortunes left Demonte a grieving old man longing for home. As a result of this, John Demonte died in 1861. At the end of his life, Demonte entrusted all of his properties to the care of the Archdiocese of Madras Mylapore, and over the years the lands were leased to a number of holders. But stories about the place and how it was cursed by Demonte's misfortune started spreading around the neighborhood. bolstered by reported hauntings. A little more than a decade ago, the rumors of ghosts in the neighborhood led to a mass exodus of residents, and the area is now abandoned and in ruins. It's now a hotbed of crime and antisocial behavior, perhaps posing more of a threat to visitors than the rumored ghosts. Well, whether news about DeMonte Colony being haunted is true, we don't really know. But it's still just a little thrilling to read about such places, isn't it? Whether or not we believe in ghosts and spirits, there is always a chill that will run up your spine upon hearing such stories. If you live in Chennai or you are going to visit Chennai and are extremely bold and courageous, you can visit this place and see for yourself. Else, go and watch the DeMonte Colony movie for thrilling experience. If you want more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe. And one more thing, hit the bell icon as well. Thank you.